A group of lawyers convened a media briefing in Colombo today on the instructions of the Chief Justice to make clarifications regarding the charges levelled in the impeachment motion.
දැන් කවුරු හරි කියනවා නම් අග්‍රවිනිශ්චයකාරතුමිය කෝටි 25ක මුදලක් රැස් කරගෙන තියෙනවයි කියලා ඇගේ ගිණුම් වල.
If anyone is saying that the Chief Justice had 250 million rupees in a bank account, then it must be one of the charges on the impeachment motion. Instead of levelling such accusations officially in Parliament, these false statements are being spread through some media institutions. The Chief Justice has not collected such a sum of money. If the Chief Justice was involved in tax fraud, then the charge on the impeachment motion must state tax fraud. There isn't a single word in the impeachment motion regarding tax fraud. The Chief Justice's asset statement as at the 31st of March 2012 is also contained in this report. Treasury bills have been listed as well, to the cent. Just because the husband is accused, the wife does not become guilty of the irregularity. Whether you look at this through the law, ethics or even through common sense, this cannot be.
ස්වාමි පුරුෂයාට චෝදනා නැගූ පමණි භාර්යාව විෂමාචාරවලට වරදකරු වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක නීතියෙන්වත් සදාචාරයෙන්වත් සාමාන්‍ය සිහි බුද්ධියක් මට්ටමින්වත් ඒක එහෙම වෙන්න බෑ.
මේ ට්‍රිලියම් නිවාස ඒකකය මිලදී අරගෙන තිනවා එහෙම නැත්නම් විකුණලා තිනවා කියන එකයි. ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨාධිකරණයේ අගවිනිසුරු.
Regarding the purchase of a unit at the Trillium apartment complex, former Chief Justice Sarath Silva appointed a committee which permitted it. This was in 2009. At that time, Shirani Bandaranaike had not even thought of becoming the Chief Justice. There is no connection whatsoever. If anyone is saying that there was no permission granted to purchase this apartment, then it is a blatant lie. It is false, an aberration of the truth. The Battawala committee appointed by the Supreme Court has allowed the selling of this apartment. The asset statement needs to be submitted on the 31st of March annually. So how can you speak of bank statements which were obtained from after the asset statement was submitted on the 31st of March?